In this video, I'll show you how you can make an image black and white in Canva on mobile. So there are two ways you can do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus icon at the bottom and we'll open up a new project. We'll click on the custom size in the bottom left and I'll just create a custom project here and we'll add a photo to it. So here is our project. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to uploads at the bottom, and from here I'm going to upload an image. So I've already got images actually on Canva. I'm just going to use one of these. So we'll use this image of the beach. Now what we can do is we can make this black and white in two different ways. The first way is by using filters. So if you scroll through the bottom, you'll then find filters. Click on it. Inside of filters, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the right, and you should see mono, and here you can go ahead and click on any of these and obviously choose one which works for you. They are going to be all slightly different. Now if that way doesn't work or you want an alternative way, then use this method. So click on your image and then go ahead and find adjust, click on adjust, and then you can scroll all the way here to saturation. Then go ahead and bring the saturation all the way down, and that will make a black and white effect as well. So those are two ways you can do it. I hope that helped you out.